everybody, thanks so much for tuning in today. We are going to make a paper chain snake. This is a super simple craft, perfect to make with your kiddos, and it is awesome for just a fun kid craft or decoration for a classroom or party. And the first thing we're going to do is put on that tongue, and we're just going to line it up in the middle of the head. And also we're going to use, I used a paintbrush, but you can use whatever you have on hand, a pencil. And I'm going to just curl that tongue a little bit to give it a little extra dimension. That is an optional step. And then we're going to put on the teeth and the eyes. I picked googly eyes, but the cut file also has an option for paper eyes if you don't have googly eyes on hand. I just think the googly eyes add a little bit of extra pizzazz and fun to this craft. And that's the head all made. Super simple. And now we're going to just start attaching our paper chains. And if you've ever made a paper chain string before, you know how to put this together. You're just going to attach the edges of the chain into a circle, encapsulate the previous chain and the new chain, and on the tail, we're just going to tack down the end of it so it doesn't open up. And just repeat this process for as long as you want the snake to be. The cut file comes with 11 strips of paper to make the chains. You can do more or less if you want a longer or shorter snake. Now that we have all of our chains together, we're going to attach the head with our last chain. And that is really all there is to this project. I hope you had fun creating with me today, and I hope to see you again soon. If you want to get the design file for this project, go to the Silhouette Design Store, and I will see you again soon. Bye!